the ultimate machine to sharpen and shape. The Grizzly G0972 3-inch by 78-inch knife-making grinder brings major versatility and creativity to your metal shop. This professional floor model abrasive grinder allows you to fine-tune the belt speed with the variable speed motor, delivering belt speeds of 1,021 to 5,768 feet per minute. The G0972 comes with 3 user-friendly attachments. Select from a tough graphite-coated platen, a large rubber contact wheel, or a profile roller for customized grinding and even pipe notching. The rugged stand also doubles as storage for all your grinding attachments and dies. The frame of this grinder tilts 90 degrees to provide the option of either vertical or horizontal grinding. The graphite-coated platen even tilts 35 degrees to the left and 55 degrees to the right. This knife-making grinder comes equipped with an aluminum drive wheel that provides efficient power transfer for essential strength and durability. Powering it all is a dependable 3 horsepower, 220-volt, 3-phase, 9-amp motor. The included inverter converts the motor to single-phase to fit your shop's needs. With safety in mind, the G0972 has 2 emergency stop buttons and a magnet-mounted spark trap for safer grinding. Feature-packed and ready to enhance your knife-making abilities, the Grizzly G0972 3-inch by 78-inch knife-making grinder is sure to be the floor model grinder of your dreams. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.